Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw numbers. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. First we draw the letter of A. And the next one is B. Now we draw C. The next one is D. Kids, now we draw E. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Now we draw G. G for God. Kids, now we draw the alphabet of H. And the next one is I. And now we draw J. Kids, now we draw K. The next one is L. And now we draw M. M for moon. Now we draw N for nose. And the next one is O. O for octopus. Kids, now we draw P. P for parrot. The next one is Q. Q for queen. And now we draw R. R for rose. The next one is S. S for snake. Now we draw T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. The next one is V. V for van. W. X. Y. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo. Z for zebra.